Hey, it's Claire here from the Pistachio Club. I hope you are well today. Today's Tuesday tutorial, so not so easy to say, is all about customized fonts within Divi. So Divi is a great WordPress platform theme to use, and it comes and interlinks with Google Fonts. So there's lots of gorgeous fonts for us to use. However, you might want to upload more customized font to bring some brand personality and a different visual interest into what you're doing. So you can see here that I've added a customized font. But sometimes when you do that in Divi, there are a couple of issues. So in this video, I just wanted to walk you through some of those and some approaches that you can take. So this is one of my demo sites here. This is actually a copy of one of my child themes that's available on my site. As you can see here, you might want to change this standard font here into something a bit more bespoke, a bit different. So first of all, we'll just go into the dashboard and we'll come into the Divi theme customizer. And what we can see is through how we set it up on here, we come into general settings, come into typography, and you can see here that that header font and all the other header fonts I've just set up as a standard here, a Google font called Homemade Apple. So that's what that one is there. So when we come back into the page and we come back into the module, if you just right click here on that little gear, you can see it's the module settings. So you need the grey one and the module settings. So what one element that comes up is, can you see we've got a little blue box here? We can see the a little paintbrush. If you click on that, it will automatically take you to the settings that are relevant for that particular module or that particular settings. So here we've got our header 1 font. At the moment, it is showing as a default, and we know that's going to be Homemade Apple because I just showed you where that information is coming from. So we want to switch that up a little bit. So first of all, let's click into the default. Let me just scoot this over into the center of the screen so you can see a little bit better. So here we can now choose from all our amazing Google fonts, and there's lots of them to choose, or we can upload our own. So when we click on upload, there's a couple of things to kind of know. One here is the different formats, so TTF and OTF files. So that's what it's going to be asking us for. So have something in those file formats and you can choose your font. So you just click into choose your font. I've got lots of different fonts. Let's just go with this one. And then we'll just add in the name of it. And it should upload. Now sometimes, as you can see, now the text has changed. And you can also see that the weight and the size of it has changed as well. So you're going to need to adjust your settings. However, sometimes when you do this, sometimes when you go, can I add a customized font, you get an error coming up. And there are a couple of reasons for that. First of all, if you come into your back end of your website, let's just get back to the dashboard. If you've got Divi and you've got the new Divi 4.0 or above, you're going to have your support center here. The first thing is to click into that support center. You can see here I've been very good and all my systems have passed. So one of the common themes that we see is when people don't have their PHP level set at 7.2 or above. And that can cause you not to be able to upload your font. So you need to contact your hosting, check out what level of PHP you have, and you need to be at 7.2. But if you come into Divi and it's not the right level, you're going to have a little red little dot there to say, you need to go and check that out. So you need to contact your hosting for that. That's one way to make sure that you can upload your font. The next step to do, so once you've done that, and if you're still trying to upload your font on your page and it's coming back saying error, is not possible. The next step to do is again go back to your hosting, and you're going to go into what we call the CPanel. You're going to find your file manager. I'm going to add this into the description, into the notes underneath this video for you as well. So you need to go into the CPanel. You need to find your file manager, and when you're in there for your website, so if you've got a couple of websites to one particular hosting, you're going to need to find the particular file for that particular URL that you're looking at. But most people, I'm assuming, watching this video, you're just going to have one install of WordPress. So you're going to find the next thing, which is going to be your wp-config.php. So you're going to need to find that file and then open it and or edit it. Usually it says something like edit. So once you've come in to click to edit it, it will bring up a little notebook style, notepad style screen. Now you need to scoot all the way down to the bottom and just add in this line. And that tends to fix all font issues. So if you haven't, your font's not showing correctly, or you're unable to show or unable to upload your font, by adding this line to the end of your wp-config.php file, just solves those problems. So that's what you need to do. As I said, I've seen quite a few people having issues around uploading a customized font. You think it should be easy. In general sense, it is. However, if you do come across any issues, try those steps first. So first of all, making sure your PHP is at the right level. And if not, then going into your CPanel and your file manager and doing those steps, and those should rectify it. If not, if those two steps don't work, and they should do, then always remember, when you come into your Divi and your support center, you can always enable your remote access to elegant themes and put on your support chat. And you can quite quickly talk to somebody and saying, look, I've done the key steps to trying to have my font uploading, and it's not. Every single program has their own little little bugs going on, little things that happen. For some other reason, there might be that your custom font's not loading, but try those two steps and you should be good to go. Alrighty, I will see you next week, and in the meantime, wherever you are in the world, have an amazing week. Take care. Bye.